How would you describe people who typically thrive in this industry?
I think you got to start with curiosity first and foremost. If you're always wondering why, the kind of kid who annoyed your parents because you wanted to know why things work or why is it that way, and are you sure you're telling me the whole story? That is something you can't teach, and that's fundamental because journalists, at the heart of it, we're always asking why. I think you got to also be unafraid. Outgoing helps, but that can be trained. There are people who are introverts who do really well, but they teach themselves to, when they have to talk to people,